everyone. My name is MD Alif Sifat and my student ID is 23MKT051. Today I am talking about two topics: different perspective of communication and the communication process. Firstly, different perspective communication. What is different perspective of communication? Different perspective of communication refer to the various way communication can take place, different on context, number of people involved and purpose. Each perspective has its own style, method and impact. Different perspective of communication focusing on communication and public communication. Group communication. Definition of group communication. Group communication takes place when a small number of people, usually 3 to 12, interact to achieve a common goal. Key feature of group communication involves multiple perspectives. Everyone can share idea and feedback. Usually happens in team meeting, group discussion or study groups. Example of group communication: a group of study discussing a project or office team planning a new strategy. Public communication. Definition of public communication. Public communication occurs when one person speaks or presents information to a large audience. Key feature of public communication: one speakers, many listeners. Feedback is usually limited or indirect. Used to inform, influence or entertain a wide group. Example of public communication: a teacher giving a lecture, or a politician delivering a speech, or a YouTuber addressing subscriber. The second topic is the communication process. The communication process focusing one way versus two-way communication. Firstly, what is the communication process? The communication process is the series of setup through which a message is created, sent, received and understood between two or more people. It involves a sender, a message, a medium, channel, a receiver and often feedback. The goal is to share informed ideas or feeling effectively. Then what is one-way communication? In one-way communication, the message flows in single direction from the sender to receiver. There is no feedback or response from the receiver. It is usually for giving instruction, announcement or broadcast. Example of one-way communication: a TV news broadcast or a company sending out an email notice. Then two-way communication. In two-way communication, the message flows both ways. The sender sends a message and the receiver responds. This allows for feedback, making communication more effective and interactive. It used in discussion, meeting, interviews, etc. Some example of two-way communication: a conversation between two friends or a Q&A session in class. The difference between one-way and two-way communication: one-way is about informing and two-way is about interacting and understanding.